Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also। तो आज ही IBPS PO मेंस का स्कोर कार्ड रिलीज़ हुआ है और अभी मैंने ये देखा और अभी ये रिलीज़ हुआ है। तो इस वीडियो में मैं ये स्कोर कार्ड शेयर करूँगी। और अभी फ़िलहाल तो मैं RBI असिस्टेंट की प्रिपरेशन कर रही हूँ। तो अगर आप भी RBI असिस्टेंट की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो या फिर आपके RBI असिस्टेंट में आपको लग रहा है कि मेरी इतनी तैयारी नहीं है और आप SBI क्लर्क को टारगेट कर रहे हो, तो आप टेस्ट सीरीज़ के लिए स्मार्टकीड़ा की टेस्ट सीरीज़ के लिए जा सकते हो। उनकी टेस्ट सीरीज़ का जो लेवल है वो काफ़ी सही रहता है। प्री और मेंस प्रीलिम्स की जो टेस्ट सीरीज़ हैं उनमें जैसे रियल एग्ज़ाम में थोड़े से ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन आते हैं, वैसे ही वो क्वेश्चंस देते हैं, जो कि काफ़ी सही रहता है कि आप घर से प्रैक्टिस करके जाते हो और फिर पेपर में आपको ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती। और मेंस के क्वेश्चंस का जो लेवल है वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा है। तो उनकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी और वहाँ से जाके आप उनकी टेस्ट सीरीज़ को परचेज़ कर सकते हो। ठीक है, तो अब बात करते हैं मेरे स्कोर कार्ड की। तो सबसे पहले तो आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट दिस मच लेस मार्क्स, लाइक my attempts were more and I was expecting more marks, and these are the minimum marks which I had expected. Like, I had expected minimum and maximum marks, but I have got the minimum marks, and like I am not able to understand this, but I will show you one by one. So first of all, there is reasoning, in which you can see that I got 18.25 in reasoning. I had attempted 22 questions and I was expecting around 26 to 27 marks in reasoning. But I do not know, like I think some questions must have gone wrong, like very much I do not know. But yeah, this are the marks which I got in reasoning. Then there is GA. So in GA I got 11.75. I was expecting 15 marks because my 18 questions were correct and 10 were incorrect. 28 were my attempts, but I do not know how there is 11.75. Then in English also, I was expecting 30 plus, but I have got 23.75. I was like, at least I was expecting 28 marks. I have thought minimum, but 23 is my marks. And English is also a shock for me because I never do that much wrong questions in English, but these are the marks. Now what we can do. Then there is quants. So in quants I had attempted 16 questions and I have got 22. Like, quants is the section from which I am satisfied, quants and descriptive, in which I got 19.25. So these two sections are quite satisfying, but I am not that much satisfied. Like reasoning, it is a, I don't know, it is a nightmare. But now this is my total score, 95, and now I am not sure whether I will be selected or not, but these marks are around 18 above the cutoff of EWS, and now we will see the results on 1st of April. But after seeing the scores, I am quite disappointed because I had expected around 110 and 115 marks, but these were the minimum marks which I was expecting. But yeah, that is it. Like, everything happens for a reason. Maybe I would have attempted more wrong questions. So that is all. And at this point of time, I do not understand what to say. So that is all for this video. Thank you.